Earlier this week, the governor of Oregon praised a new law in her state providing free abortions regardless of income or citizenship status. Insurance companies are now required to cover abortions at no cost to the patient. Opponents say this forces taxpayers, even those who object morally to abortions, to assume some of the costs. Joining us now via Skype is Lois Anderson, Executive Director of Oregon Right to Life. You fought that law. Welcome to the program.
Thank you very much for having me.
Why do you believe taxpayers will assume these costs?
Well, first of all, Oregon is one of the few states that does provide abortion at state taxpayer cost already. And this new law actually pushed that further by requiring insurance companies to provide abortions at no cost. So we believe that insurance rates will go up, and also it included an additional amount of money to pay for abortions that would not normally be covered or under the Oregon Health Plan, which is most likely related to immigration status.
So basically, it is without. It is without your. It doesn't matter your status. It doesn't matter if you're legal,
Correct.
If you're not legal. It doesn't matter your age. Is that right?
Correct. It does not matter your age. We have no laws in Oregon that prevent any abortion from happening for all 9 months of pregnancy.
Is this law constitutional?
We do not believe that it is. We believe that it violates the Constitution on religious liberty grounds and on associative grounds as well.
How does this bill affect the pro-life movement? What are you going to do? Are you going to fight this? Are there any loopholes?
Of course we're going to fight. They did a very good job of writing this law to prevent loopholes, but we are working very hard with some very smart lawyers to figure out every possible way that we can fight this law in the courts, whether it's administrative rules, whether it's in the legislature, and on the ground, actually, with individual people counseling women who are pregnant.
Thank you so much for joining us and that update on the status of pro-life in Oregon. Lois Anderson, Executive Director, Oregon Right to Life.
Thank you so much.